Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use AI for YouTube script writing in 2026. Now for this particular purpose, I'm going to be using chatgpt.com, but you can also use some other AI assistants like Google's Gemini or Claude AI. So first of all, you need to start with the video idea generation. If you are not sure what video to make, you can ask AI for the topic ideas in your niche. So for this particular purpose, you can give ChatGPT this type of prompt like give me 10 YouTube video ideas about artificial intelligence for beginners, or whatever your niche is, you can just simply add the prompt over here. So this helps you quickly find the topics that could perform well. Afterwards, you need to basically start creating the outline for your script. For that, you can just simply add this particular prompt that says create a YouTube video outline for 2-minute video, or you can also specify the length of your video script about how AI works, or among the given topics that it has given you, you can just simply add the topic over here. Here you can just simply provide the structure like you want the script that has intro, main points, and the outro. So after giving this particular prompt, you just have to simply hit enter. And what this is going to do is it is going to give you a clear structure before writing the full script. Now you can ask ChatGPT to expand the outline into the complete script. For this particular expansion, you can use this particular prompt that says write a 2-minute YouTube script explaining how AI works, or our topic was 10 amazing things AI can do in 2026. So I'm going to be just replacing this. And then you can add the language. So I've added the simple language, include an engaging intro, clear explanations, and short outro. So now ChatGPT is going to generate ready to use script that you can basically edit and personalize. Another helpful step is improving the script. So you can ask the AI to adjust the tone and make the script more engaging. So for example, if you want your script to be more engaging and beginner friendly, you can provide a prompt that can look something like this. So you can also use ChatGPT for the titles and the hook. So you can give it a prompt that can be like generate 5 catchy YouTube titles for the video about AI tools for beginners, or the topic that you have given to it. So that's how you can use AI or ChatGPT for YouTube script writing. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.